Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're gonna show you how to block a seller on AliExpress using your smartphone. Blocking a seller can be useful if you have had a bad experience or if you want to avoid certain vendors. It's a very easy process, so let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and head over to your preferred web browser. Once you're in the browser, navigate to the AliExpress website. After you are in the website, make sure you are logged in with your AliExpress account. Once you are logged in, you can explore through the products. So to block the seller, you need to first find the seller that you want to block. You can tap on any products of that seller. Once you're in the products page, if you scroll down a little bit, here you can find report item options just below item description. So tap on report item. Now here you can report the seller to AliExpress. You can choose the categories of your report first, select the categories. Now here you need to explain the reason for reporting. If you have had any bad experience, then you can upload the proof over here. Once you're done, you can submit the report. AliExpress will then analyze this report and take the necessary action. If the seller is found guilty, then they will be blocked or will not be able to sell in AliExpress. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.